Hey friends! Today, I'll be explaining how to make your own NFT collection on Ethereum in a simple way. I'll break it down step by step so even a 10-year-old can understand. First, you need to create your NFT artworks or collectibles. This can be digital drawings, 3D models, music, photos, anything unique. Be creative and make sure your artwork is high quality. Keep your collection small when starting out, like 5 to 10 NFTs. Once your digital files are ready, you need to upload them to an NFT marketplace that mints NFTs on Ethereum. Popular platforms are OpenSea, Rarible, Mintable. I recommend using OpenSea to start. Make an account and click Create to upload your artwork. Add a title, description, and customizable properties for each one. Now you need a crypto wallet to pay gas fees for minting on Ethereum. MetaMask or Coinbase wallet are good options. Connect your wallet to OpenSea. When you're ready, click Create to mint your NFTs. This permanently records them on the Ethereum blockchain. You'll be prompted to pay a small gas fee for each NFT using ETH from your wallet. Allows them to be tradable on the marketplace. Congratulations, you've successfully minted your NFT collection. They'll now be visible in your OpenSea portfolio for buyers to see. Make sure to promote your NFTs on social media to create hype. Finding your target buyers is key to making sales. And that's how easy it is to mint an NFT collection as a beginner. Let me know if you need any help getting started. If you create your own collection, share it with me. I'd love to see what kinds of unique NFTs you come up with using this process.